My name is Cecilia Stagni. I'm Italian and I moved to San Diego in 2009. My background is entirely different. I have a master's degree in electrical engineering, but I loved art my whole life. When I arrived in San Diego, I enrolled in the Art and the Creative Process Certificate program, and I finished it in 2011. I chose UC San Diego Extended Studies because I was very impressed with the curriculum and the caliber of the instructors. Just going over the list of courses offered in the program, I could see that they were very focused on teaching the students how to improve dramatically in a very short time. I was also very impressed with the variety of the different forms of art offered in the program, from drawing to painting to collage, mosaic sculpture, inking, and of course different types of medium like oils, acrylics, watercolors. I was actually taking classes at UC San Diego. I was enrolled in the electrical engineering department. And also at UC San Diego Extended Studies, I was already taking art classes. But I gradually understood that my life would be about art and not electrical engineering. So I decided to drop out grad school and to entirely focus on the program. My objective in enrolling in the program was to learn the skills to be able to find my voice as an artist. When it comes to art, for me it's difficult to separate professional and personal goals because they go hand in hand, feeding each other. And art for me, it's not just a hobby or a job, it's a passion. The program completely turned my life around because at the end of it, I was able to freely express myself through my art. The program helped me achieving my goals because it was very skill-oriented, and that's how I like to learn. There is no waste of time. What I liked the most about the program was how good the instructors were. They were established artists with years of teaching experience. They ensured that the students would learn everything they needed to know in each class and with each homework. I would definitely recommend the program to a friend or to anyone who is interested in art. I think that art is everywhere, and there are lots of jobs out there that are looking for different types of artists. Even after completing the program, I kept taking courses at UC San Diego Extended Studies. The most recent one was a plein air course, and it was the first time for me to paint outside. And it was a beautiful experience. I feel very grateful for the opportunity I had to study at UC San Diego Extended Studies, and there is no better feeling than that.